Hello, welcome to Cooking with the Cajun. Today we're going to be showing you how to do a sweet potato puree with the Breville control grip. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Before we get started, I'd like to share two links with you. One on how to prepare the sweet potato, which is my Cajun sweet potato recipe. And the other is on how to plate the sweet potato puree along with the pecan honey crunch for flavor, along with my pork chops and my broccoli. So stay tuned and let's get started. Let me introduce to you the Breville control grip. This is an awesome tool for any kitchen. It's an immersion blender, and with Breville you also get an attachment so you can whip. It's got the whisk on the end, and you also have the attachment so you can chop, and it has the food processor on the end. It's a double blade system, and it also has a mixing bowl as well, so if you want to make smoothies. A great tool for any kitchen. Let me show you how to use it. The Breville control grip has 15 speed settings. I'm going to start with the setting of 6. Here we go. You notice how I go around the plate, push in from the sides. Bella says hello. You just want to go around and blend and blend and blend, and the little blade is going to do all the work. As you notice, there's no splash. It's not throwing food everywhere. It stays within the housing of the immersion blender and keeps it neat. Now, I do spill some, but that's just because, not paying attention. But awesome tool, and it's just going to keep blending it up until you have a puree. So if you want to make puree vegetables, if you want to make puree root vegetables or puree fruits, get you an immersion blender from Breville, the control grip. It's an awesome tool, does a great job, and that's Bella saying hello. Make sure you clean it. Look at that, how good it looks. Thank you, folks. We hope this helped you in making purees in the future. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please press the thumbs up and the little bell to get notifications when we post our next video and in the future when we go live. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a blessed day from Bella and I.